Let's make a quick pasta under 5 minutes. What if I just slide up my tomatoes? I'll slide it so finely and not too smooth, not too big. This is me just sliding up the tomatoes. I love a lot of tomatoes in my pasta. I like to see the stew. I like to see the sauce. I do not like dry pasta. When a pasta is dry, it makes it so difficult to eat, and you find yourself having to drink water every second. Now, this is me just trying to slide up the tomatoes, and when I was done, I added my avocado oil into my pan and then let it heat up a little bit. Put in my bay leaves. This is just to wake up all my spices, and added my onions, my diced onions. I love onions a lot. And at this time, I'm going to add some seasoning. This is me just trying to wake up the flavor of the bay leaves, the onion, coupled with the seasoning, and adding. I went in with my sliced tomatoes. At this point, I had this turkey in the grill. They were all nice and cooked and well done. This is me just trying out to see how juicy and well cooked these turkey wings were. They were so delicious. I couldn't film where I was marinating it. I marinated this for like 5 hours before I started grilling them. You see how juicy? They are well cooked, no issues. They are so nice and tasty. Now I'm gonna set this aside. Here I was just trying to decide what pasta I should make today. Which one? This one? This one? This one? Tell me, which one do you want me to make? I don't know. Can we try this? Should I make this one or make the slim pasta, the slim spaghetti? This one, or this one? Well, I have decided I'm gonna make this one. Yay! Now let's cut it open. I already have my pot on fire with my water boiling. I put a little bit of oil in the water so they do not foam out of the pot. At this point, the pasta is halfway cooked. Now I'm just going to add it to the sauce that we made earlier and mix it all together. Make sure the sauce is highly incorporated in the pasta. At this point, I had to cover it and let it simmer for about 2 minutes or 3 minutes, and it is ready. At this time, I was already preparing to eat because my mouth was so watery. This pasta tasted so good. Now I am going to dish the plates and dish my food. I'm going to dish my food right now and take a bite with you guys. Here I have dished my food. I have 2 turkey wings there. Don't judge me. I'm just going to take a bite of the turkey and enjoy the juicy taste of this turkey. Now, let's take a bite with you guys. Join me as I enjoy this yummy, spicy pasta. It tasted so good and so delicious. Not too soft and not too hard. Hi, thank you guys for watching my videos. I'm gonna see you next time. Goodbye and stay blessed.